Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my everything shower routine. I love doing everything shower routines like once in a while. I don't do this every day. I don't think I can do this every day. Like shaving every day, I can't. I actually shave like every 2 weeks because I don't feel the need to shave every single day. But the first thing I do is I start by rinsing my body for about 2 minutes. So I put it for like warm to hot water. For my base soap, I'm gonna use the Dial antibacterial soap. So one thing I learned about antibacterial soap is you're not supposed to be using it every day. So I kind of went down to like 3 times a week because I started using Dial at the beginning of this month and I was like, I love this thing. It really helps me clean my body. My body feels clean, although it feels a little dry. It's fine because my body just feels so clean and it smells so clean. The soap is one of the cleanest smelling soap I've owned. So I wash all over my body. Don't forget behind your ears, belly button, underarms, everywhere that folds, behind your knees, and also your back. I love the African net because I can make it like this straight thing and just wash my back. This has helped my acne. I actually started using this about like 4 years ago, the African net cloth, and it's a game changer, hygiene changer, all of that. So I really encourage you, if you use a loofah, please switch to an African net cloth. That loofah can hold so much bacteria, and this African net cloth can do so much for your hygiene. You just gotta try it. I personally got mine from Etsy, but you can get it from Amazon. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start with my legs. First base soap, shave, exfoliate, second base soap. You'll just see. I wash my legs with the Dial soap again, just to have that first layer of dirt, sweat, everything that I've had from the day. And then I go in with this First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Exfoliator. And when I say this has so many rocks, I always talk about this. I love this exfoliator. And plus, I used to struggle with a lot of KP bumps, chicken skin, all of that. And so I've been using this a couple times. I don't see like a major difference if I'm gonna be honest, but I just love how it feels on my skin. So I put this all over my skin, exfoliate all the dead skin. One thing it's good to exfoliate is that it prevents you from having razor bumps, all of that, clogged pores. So this kind of preps your legs or your skin for shaving. So I do this before I shave. I used to do it after, but I feel like the African net cloth is equivalent to like exfoliating after. And I don't want to over exfoliate my skin because my skin is on the drier side. Then I usually use conditioner, but then I looked over and I saw the EOS shaving cream and I was like, I'll use that. So I just went in with the EOS shaving cream. I don't usually use this. I think it was one of my sisters, so I was like, I'm just gonna use it. So I put this all over my legs. And then for today, for my razor, I actually went to Target and I just got 5-blade razor. It's so much easier to shave than the 1-blade razor. But let me just say that 1-blade razor will really it'll be the cleanest shave you've had. That's one thing I've noticed it, but that takes forever. Literally in the shower, it will take me 30 minutes just to shave because you have to be precise, and if you mess up, you will cut yourself. So I use this 5-blade razor. Easy, like literally after one swipe, I got most of the hair. And another thing is, I did shave like just a week and a half ago, so I didn't need to like shave extra where I needed that 1-blade razor. And this did like such a great job shaving my legs. I do change my razor because if you don't do that, that's how you get razor bumps, all of that. So I try to really prevent that by changing my razors, making sure I don't expose it to like wet spots and like not wet spots, when it's wet and it stays in the shower and then it starts to growing mold and then you put it on your skin and then that's how you have like uneven skin, strawberry legs, dark tones, hyperpigmentation, all of that, razor burns. I'm trying to prevent that. One razor, I try to use it 3 times and then that's it. Also, when I shave my knees, I always try to be careful because You don't know how many times I've cut my knees while shaving. And this specific razor, it has like this padding around it. So like it prevented me from cutting myself and like my knees around there. So I'm glad. I really like this razor. After that, I rinse my body, like from the shaving, everything like that. And then I go up to my upper body to shave my armpits. So I go back with the KP bump eraser. One thing I'll say is that my armpits tend to get more razor bumps than my legs. I don't know why. I think I know why. I went from waxing to shaving. I don't think you're supposed to do that, because once I did that, I started getting bumps. My armpits was like hurting, like it's just like razor bumps, everything like that. Razor bumps, razor burns, all of that. So I'm really trying to be careful. So I go in with the KP bump eraser, really exfoliate that before I shave. Then I go back with the EOS shave cream, put that all over my underarms, and then shave up, just upwards, not downwards, because I did that one time and I got razor bumps. I mean, at this point, my armpits love razor bumps. So I really try to be careful with that. And then I go in with this Dove Sensitive body wash. The moisture in this soap is so good. Another thing I'll say is that it has like a light green tea smell that I love. People say it's sensitive, non-scented. There's a smell to it, and I love that smell. So I put that all over my body to bring back the moisture after exfoliating, shaving. Like at this point, my skin needs something to moisturize it. After that, I rinse my whole body, make sure all the soap is gone, just down the drain. Then I wash my downstairs area with this microfiber cloth. I actually got this from the dollar store. Like I got a big pack of microfiber cloth and I just use it for my downstairs area with the CeraVe baby wash. And I love this combo. One thing I'll say is after you're done with the shower, make sure you squeeze the washcloth African net so that it won't hold bacteria. None of that. And then I actually just got this from Amazon. It's like a built-in soap with a sponge. And it's like a foot spongeable, and it smells so good. Besides the smelling good, it actually did such a good job washing my feet. After I'm done washing my feet, I kind of rinse it and then just let it dry. I almost forgot to finish with the cold shower. I finish off with the cold shower. I was jumping, but it feels so good after you're done with the shower. After I'm done with the shower, I just pat dry my whole body. So I don't actually like smear it. I used to do that, and it's actually really bad for your skin, and you have to take care of your skin. After I'm done drying my skin, I go in with this First Aid Beauty moisturizer. Let me just say, this moisturizer is by far my favorite non-scented moisturizer. So I put this all over my body, especially where I have dry skin, acne. But one thing I forgot is to put serum, like hyaluronic serum. That's what I wanted to do, because every time after I shave, I try to put extra moisture, like as much as I can. That hyaluronic acid serum really does a good job putting as much moisture on my skin. I just go in with the parts that I didn't put the lotion on, because it's better to put serum than lotion. And so I go back, finish putting the lotion all over my body, and then to finish off this whole routine, I go in with this Johnson & Johnson gel oil. I love the Johnson & Johnson gel oils, but this specific one smells like a baby, like, you know, like just that powdery smell, and it just smells so comforting. I love the smell. My skin is glowing, my skin smells so good, and I'm ready to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Come again.